Hi, I'm Aron from 2H Media, and in this video, I want to talk about the biggest mistake we regularly see business owners making in their marketing. Most of the businesses we talk to are looking for ways to drive more traffic, and that's great. More traffic should ultimately mean more customers, right? Well, not necessarily. We talk to businesses all the time that have tried digital ads, they've tried social media, they've tried in-person marketing campaigns and gotten a ton of positive response, and they generate traffic in these waves that don't turn into actual customers. So what the heck is going on? Most of the time what's going on is businesses are spending all their time on lead generation when they haven't actually refined their conversion mechanism to turn those leads into customers. But if you haven't optimized your processes, your messaging, your calls to action, and created a pathway forward for those customers, what you're doing is feeding all of those leads into a bottleneck that best case scenario isn't generating as many customers as it could be, and worst case scenario is turning away interested leads because they can't follow the process effectively. So how do you solve this problem and actually capture the value of all the traffic that you're generating? Take a step back. Look at those conversion mechanisms and assess their performance. It's crazy how many business owners we talk to whose e-commerce websites are generating less than 1% conversions, or who don't have an established process for following up with leads once they enter your marketing funnel. The biggest mistake we see business owners making with their marketing is doing a great job on the marketing itself and then dropping the ball when it comes to their conversion mechanisms and not giving their leads a way to turn into customers. What this comes down to is a lack of strategy in approach and action. If you need help refining your strategy and avoiding these mistakes in your business, I encourage you to reach out to us. Book a strategy call with one of our experts. We'll take the time to get to know your business, develop a plan that makes sense for you, and answer your burning questions so that you can move forwards with confidence and clarity. If that sounds impactful, then book a strategy call. And in the meantime, thanks for watching.